Part 4, my motor. Bring back to life Johnny basket case. Still dialing it in. Got it running yesterday for a little while. But I still got to dial it in some more. Running good though. All things considered. Oh, I got to put a screw here. I'm missing the screw. But I got her running yesterday. Dialed her in today. And all I can say, folks, is another motor brought back from the dead. Like I always say, it's a lot of fun. If you have a passion for it, you'll have a lot of fun with this stuff. Still got a lean sneeze sometimes when I bring the idle down, but I'm working on that. Yesterday I started it up. I didn't have the carburetor bolted on. It still started. The nuts were backed out. Oh, there it goes. Get that lean sneeze. Anyway, the carburetor wasn't even on. Both nuts were all the way backed out. And I had to bump the cam out on the magneto plate a little bit to advance the throttle a little bit, neutral. And I got it started, and I've been dialing it. I want to break it in. I want to run at least a few gallons of gas through it. I did a compression check on it yesterday when it was dry before I ran it for the first time. It was 90 pounds. So I'm hoping to bump it up a little bit. And that's pretty much it. Another motor brought back from the dead. Cleaning the flywheel. Gotta be careful, that's all. You can see all the stuff, all the other powder coming off. Well, here I got the carburetor. I'm going to open it up, see how it looks inside. Let me get the 4 screws out and we'll I'll show you. Well, I already took the needles out initially the other day, the low speed and high speed. They look in good shape. Nice, good, sharp points on the end. You want to make sure the points are very sharp on the end of the needle valves. And that's it for that. But here, now I'm going to separate the carburetor bowl. See how it looks. Well, not bad. Nothing like the 5818 I did a while back. A whole cup of powdered salt came out of it. This one's not bad. So I'll totally take this apart and blow everything out. I'll pull out all the packing nuts. Behind here there's packings on the top part of the carburetor and the bottom. They're made out of some sort of, I don't know, fiber material. And I'm going to try to use them over. If not, I have new ones. Take everything apart. The float bowl down here. Be careful with the glass. Just clean it real well. That's all. I don't have an ultrasonic cleaner, so I'm going to use gasoline and compressed air and wire brush where I have to. That's how I do it. And the float doesn't look too bad. It's actually level, which is supposed to be. The old ones were shellac coated cork. If they're in good shape, I reuse them. The newer ones, the replacement ones, are plastic. You also have a seal here too around the main metering jet. Sometimes they break. You want to pop out the needle seat. Clean everything really good. Take the gasket off. Pop out this pin in here. And the whole float will come out. And just clean it, reverse it, and put it back together. Turn it upside down. Make sure this float level is horizontal to the casting. That's all you got to do. It's a little tab on the tab on here underneath. You bend it to raise it up or down, but you want it level when it's sitting naturally. Dip down just a little bit. It should be like this. But that's it for the carburetor for now. Later.